Hi, everyone. Let's begin with our focus word for the week. Who can tell me what is our focus word? That's right, it's strong. Today, we will practice highlighting our focus word in a sentence. So let's take a look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? Let's use this sentence starter to answer the question. I know I see strong men. And how about this picture? What do you think about this picture? Let's use this sentence starter to answer this question. I think. I'd love to hear from you. Yes, nice work. I also think. I think women are strong too. And I see this new word here in our word bank, because. When we use the word because in a sentence, it gives us a reason why, right? So I think women are strong because they can play baseball too. All right, friends, let's take out our circle maps. Remember, creating circle maps for our words helps us learn more about our words. And it makes learning new words easy and fun. So, let's think about our focus word strong. What do you think of when you hear the word strong? This week we mentioned what it means, and I said that strong is something that cannot be destroyed. And we also came up with an example, such as I am strong. And we thought about words that remind us of the word strongs, word that is related to the word strong. And we connected it to last week's focus word, brave, because someone who is brave is strong. Now, can we use the word strong in a sentence? Think about the pictures we just saw. I'd love to hear from you. Nice work, right? We read or we looked at a picture of a woman playing baseball, and we spoke about how women are strong. Nice work, friends. Now it's time to get to our article, and maybe we'll learn more about the word strong to add to our circle maps later. This week, we are learning all about important women. Today, we will read an article titled, "The Woman Who Collected Plants." We will hear some words such as plants, learn. How do we say plants in Spanish? Can you help me? That's right, we say plantas. It's very similar to the word in English. How about learn? That's right, in Spanish we say aprender. So let's take a look at these two pictures. What do you see? I see children learning about plants. And I also see children conducting a science experiment. That looks like a lot of fun. So Let's pretend you are learning something new. What do you want to learn about? I know I would love to learn more about plants and how we can use them for medicine. All right, friends, let's get to our article. Let's start by looking at these pictures. What do you see? I see a woman in the water with a moose. I also see the same woman with a map. And I also see her in a forest. Remember, friends, I will read this article 2 times, so listen carefully because afterwards we will take out our book of knowledge and write or draw one thing you've learned to share with our class. So let's start at the top of the page. Inez Mejia loved to learn about plants. She went to different places to find different plants. Inez found plants everywhere she went. She took many of the plants she found with her. Many people had never seen these plants. So, what did Inez Mejia do? What did she do? She found plants. She took plants. Inez wrote about the plants she found. She taught people about what she learned. Today, we remember Inez as someone who helped us learn a lot about plants. Thanks, Inez. Yes, thank you very much. So, why do we remember Inez Mejia? What did she do? We can use this sentence starter to help us respond to this question. We remember her because she is someone who helped us learn a lot about plants. All right, let's read that one more time. Inez Mejia loved to learn about plants. She went to different places to find different plants. Inez found plants everywhere she went. She took many of the plants she found with her. Many people had never seen these plants. Inez wrote about the plants she found. She taught people about what she learned. Today, we remember Inez as someone who helped us learn a lot about plants. Yes, thank you, Ines. All right, friends, now it's time to take out our book of knowledge. You can grab your notebooks or a piece of paper and something to write with. I will take out our class book of knowledge, and we will write or draw one thing you learn to share with our class. Let's go to week 2, Important Women. Day 3. Draw or write one thing you learned about Inés Mejia. Remember, friends, you can always use our visual word bank to help us spell any new words that we have learned, such as plants and learn. So, what did we learn about Inés? So, I'm going to start my drawing with Inés Mejia. And she learned about plants. So I'm going to draw some pretty flowers and plants. And when I'm done with my drawing, I can label the different parts of my picture. So this is a picture of Inés. And if I don't remember how to spell her name, I can always go back to the story that we read. And these are plants. Plants. How do we spell plants? Check your word bank. What letter makes that P sound? That's right, that's the letter P. O, L, A, N, T, P, plants. S, yes, because there's more than one. And when I'm done with my drawing and labeling the different parts of my picture, it's time for me to write my sentence. What can I say? I know. Inés, right? She learned, right? And how do we spell learn? L, E, A, R. What's that last sound we hear? N, right? It's in our word bank. She learned, I'm going to add an ED because we're talking about the past. She learned about plants. All right, friends, can you help me read my sentence? She learned about plants. All right, friends, now it's your turn. I can't wait to see your drawings.